Do you know that you can use your phone as a webcam for your computer, either PC or Mac? So all you need in this video is a smartphone and a USB cable and your PC. So go to this website. I'll put the link in the description box, and choose this option for Windows because I'm using a Windows platform. If you're using other platforms, you can click on other platforms and you get the option for macOS. So you click on this option here and then you proceed to installation. Do the same for your smartphone. Go to Play Store, search for Camo like that. Download this option. I already have one and it's actually installed, so you can just click on open, then go to your computer. After installation, open Camo. So it's open like that, and so long as your smartphone is connected to your PC via USB, you are going to get a feed. So this is my smartphone. So I can be able to use my smartphone as a camera. You can see it's working. It's actually clearer than when I'm using my webcam. So this is my phone, and we have several options. For example, you can choose the resolution, either go all the way up to 1080 or go down all the way up to where you feel it will be comfortable. You can choose the lens. I have the wide 2 megapixel, I have 48 megapixel, I have even the front. You can choose that, and you can choose the presets. Like for example, let's check how that will look. You see how it looks. Let's go back to none. Then post-processing, you can customize or just leave it as such. You can mirror if you want the left to go to the right, the rotation. So you can rotate it to suit the orientation that you want. You can zoom like that. So you can pan around and focus a certain area. For example, you just want only maybe to focus on your face. You can do that. Let me zoom out. And then on this other side, you have various adjustments. You can adjust the white balance, the brightness, the hue, saturation, and everything, even the sharpness. For you to set it up, because once you make the first installation, it will ask you to go and enable debugging. You go to settings, click on that, you go all the way to about phone, and then you go to build number. You tap 5 times until you get you are already a developer. Then you go back, developer options. You open developer options, you go all the way to USB debugging, you turn that on. So most probably it's going to ask you for a password. You're going to import that, and now it should work. So once you connect your phone through USB to your Camo, then your phone will prompt you to accept a request for debugging. So make sure you accept that and then proceed. Now you can use this for Zoom meeting. Yes, allow. So you need to go to the settings so that you can be able to select the camera that you want to use. Click on video, and then when it comes to camera, choose Camo like that, and you should have your camera there. It's now being used as a webcam, and I can be able to do anything that I want. Maybe something else that you need will be a stand which will hold your phone when you're using it as a webcam. So thank you. Let's meet in the next video.